you looking for a home with lake access, but also want the seclusion and woods? This could be the one for you. Hi, I'm Jenna Shimoleski with ERA Reardon Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 111 Southwood in Jerome, Michigan. This beautiful home has access to Mirror Lake, and we're in the Irish Hills, so you're gonna love all the different lake communities around here. We have Lake Leanne, Lake Somerset, Crystal Lake, and more. What you're gonna love about this chalet is it has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, multiple living areas on multiple floors, large kitchen with an oversized island. Why don't you just come check it out?